Today I'm going to teach you how to tame a parrot. It's kind of easy. This is one of the parts. There's many sections to taming a parrot, but I'm going to give you some essential ingredients that I use to help tame my parrots. Right here I have ourselves a very young Indian ringneck that is I'm just starting to hand tame, hand rear, whatever you want to call it. Hello, hello. And I put him in a blanket 3 times a day. And I just get an old rocking chair like this. I get myself a copy of the Dicshitnary, written by John Dunsworth, also known as Mr. Leahy. And, God, I miss this guy. And I read stuff out of the Dicshitnary to the birds. And they seem to enjoy it. Let's see here. We'll start off with shitocrat, a smug politician who confuses his party's platform for fact. Shit tree, arbitrus buddus, immature confire used for decorating purposes. See shitmas tree. 2. Family tree of low-born reprobates. Looks like here there's a oh my God, there's actually a shit tree to describe things. So like